At Devant Travels, we make it simple with no monthly fees. How would you like to earn unlimited commissions every day and all day? Get paid to advertise our services. Every day, if you process 2 travel orders, that's $94. If you process 4 travel orders, that's $188. What about 10 orders? Well, you do the math. All travel orders include 3 to 5 day vacation getaways to various locations, $2,000 shopping cards, and other incentives on hotels, travel, dining, and entertainment not available to the general public. If you start it today, you'll receive a 3 to 5 day vacation getaway, lifetime access to these amazing benefits, and an opportunity to change your life. So don't delay. Get started today.